Well, new developments tonight in the ongoing fight to bring a now shuttered Massachusetts hospital back to life. The parent company of North Adams Regional Hospital filed for bankruptcy this morning, further delaying the proceedings. Our Brandon Lewis was in court today in Massachusetts. He is now joining us live in studio with more on the fight to reopen the hospital. Brandon?
Well, Dory, court documents filed this morning show Northern Berkshire Healthcare's board voted yesterday to file for bankruptcy. Just in the last 20 minutes, Massachusetts Attorney General released a statement saying she's disappointed the two sides don't share the same goal in ensuring access to emergency services as this ongoing saga continues. Lawyers from every involved entity and then some filled the Berkshire Superior Courtroom. They plan to discuss a restraining order that could pave the way to reopen North Adams Regional Hospital, but the plan hit a speed bump.
Northern Berkshire Healthcare did indeed file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy case.
Chapter 7 typically ends in creditors liquidating assets to repay debt, including the possibility of the hospital building. For those leading the fight to reopen, they call it a setback.
I'm a little disappointed in the court proceedings today because they filed Chapter 7, and the way I'm understanding it, now that that's in effect, it may stop BMC from moving forward with opening the ED rapidly, which would hurt the community.
Was there any consideration to reorganize and maintain the business as opposed to just complete liquidation?
We did not consider that to be feasible. Of course, we thought about it, but it just isn't financially feasible.
The Attorney General's office thinks the effort to create a satellite emergency facility on the property can still remain in this court, but the judge wasn't so sure. Instead, he extended the order to maintain patient records in place until Tuesday while he conducts research and it goes to bankruptcy court. A lawyer for NBH says it was their only option.
The Chapter 7 filing, again, is designed to facilitate a orderly transition of this facility to whatever its future is going to be.
Now, the hospital is due back in bankruptcy court on Monday. Then today's injunction hearing will continue on Tuesday based on how the judge feels he can proceed. Of course, tonight more than 400 employees are still out of work and without health insurance for their families. We'll tell you about the effort to get them insured coming up tonight at 6. Live in studio, Brandon Lewis, CBS 6 News.